I'm a certified child life specialist, and I have a practice both in the hospital, in a community hospital, and in the community in my own private practice. It is a small but mighty profession. I'm very proud to be a child life specialist and to be able to provide a more robust support system for children in their healthcare experience. I'm passionate about constantly learning and constantly challenging myself. And I'm really passionate about finding ways to connect with my team and the families that I work with. I think that my most favorite part of being able to participate in Project ECHO is the diversity and the opportunity to collaborate with different professionals. We're always exploring new and challenging cases, new and novel approaches, and learning, foundational research that also supports the need for the different types of techniques that we're using, whether it's to meet pain needs or whether it's to meet, end-of-life needs for a child. I love the collaborative nature of the Project ECHO sessions.
Hi Ella, hey.
Nice to see you again.
Nice
You remember me, I'm
you.
Morgan, your child life specialist.
Yeah.
It's lovely.
I think what I was looking forward to most today was connection. Being able to be with other professionals in the room, being able to have those side conversations when all of a sudden you have an aha moment or something resonates with you in the presentation and you're able to turn to a colleague and say, oh, this is what I was telling you about. Overall, I think what ECHO has taught me is that there's always ways to adjust and correct and learn and add. But as we grow and learn and change because of data-based research, we can change practice and improve our practice. So what I find happens a lot in my Project ECHO sessions is that I may have already been doing something, but now I know not just why I'm doing it, but here's the evidence that supports what I was doing. And that helps me extend that learning beyond just me, to my colleagues, to the families I work with. And the evidence, I feel, is even better accepted because I'm not just saying this is what we need to do, I'm saying here's why.